There it comes. Woo! Ah, dumped it out. Hey guys, we are coming at you today with this awesome new Crayola play sand, and it is colored. So we have got the purple, we've got the pink, and we've got the green. They also have blue, but they have been sold out of it and I can't find it. So I'm getting ready to get the boys to come over here with their John Deere tractor so they can come move it for me. You ready to help me out?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. Excuse me, puppies. All right, watch out, pups. All right, come on through, Kaden. All right, guys, you ready to see what we got?
Yeah.
All right, let's move this kitty pillow and this elephant over here with this cup. We've got some new colored play sand. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah, it's heavy, so I need you guys to help me move it.
See, green one.
Yeah, we got pink, green, and purple. All right, you want to take it back there to your sandbox?
Oh, yeah.
Let's roll out. All right, coming back through, pups. All right, let's open these bad boys up.
Let's do the pink, the purple.
Do the purple first. All right, let's do the purple first.
That's a lot of purple.
Yeah, it is. It's 20 pounds worth.
Good.
You think that's enough?
Yes.
It's 60 pounds worth of sand.
No, I want both of them.
Well, we're gonna put all three. How about that?
Okay, let's get the purple.
All right, let's do it.
Get the purple.
Hey, we can't put in sand when you're in there. Hey, get out of there. Hey, buddy, can we have our sandbox back? Come on, get out of there. Come on, big guy. Hey, get out of that sandbox. Ah, get out of there. Yodi, ah, he's trying to get me. Hey, Yodi. Is he moving?
Yeah.
Yodi! All right, come on. Out you go, mister. This is for Crayola play sand. Not you! This is ridiculous. I have a 120-pound dog laying in the sandbox. You got sand on your nose.
You got sand in your nose.
Hey, Yodi. You got sand on your nose. You shook it off. All right, come on, guys. All right, guys, so we have got the sandbox filled up. We've got our pink, which was a little bit wet just from being outside in the garden center. We have the green, which is super nice and soft, and we have the purple. What do you guys think?
Good.
You guys want to get it and play?
Yeah.
Do it. Yeah, the pink's a little wet. Is that super cool or what? We've got colored play sand now. Colored sand in our sandbox. I love it. It's cold, huh? Whoa, it looks super cool like that. Ah. Oh, don't throw it, don't throw it. Still like regular sand, still can't throw it. That is awesome. Whoa, I love it. You building a house? What you get? You got your shovel? Kaden got his dump truck. You need more constructions? Yeah.
Here you go.
What'd you get? Excavator and a bulldozer. Good choices. Yodi wants in there.
No.
He's not getting in, but he wants in. Oh, he's got to stay. He's cool. Oh, your little ones?
Yeah.
That'll be cool.
And dump truck.
You got a lot going on in there.
Yeah. And the scoop.
Yeah.
And a big giant scooper. See, look.
I don't think all of this is gonna fit.
Oh yeah. Now look in the sandbox.
You mixing concrete?
Yeah, I need some pink on this job too.
Pink on that job?
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
There's some green. Look, I got purple.
Yeah, I like that purple.
There's some green. Green.
These are awesome. You guys like this colored sand?
Yeah.
Sandboxes are always fun, but colored sand, it's gonna be awesome for when you guys are making your pretend mud pies and cakes and stuff. Or you're mixing your concrete in your cement mixer truck.
I need some pink.
Yeah.
Mommy. I'm okay.
No?
No.
Filling up your little dump truck, bud? Yeah.
It's getting cool.
Yeah. That's a lot, Tristan. You're filling up the big dump truck now, bud. It's a lot.
Okay. Go check. Get some cold.
Good job, Tristan. Looks good, bud.
Look at the concrete, Mommy.
Ooh, are you making a road?
Sand fight!
No sand fight. We don't throw sand.
What is a sand fight?
Why is it not a sand fight? Because sand will get in each other's eyes.
Sand fight.
No sand fight.
It's a sand.
Yeah, just pretend sand fight.
Look.
Super awesome, bro. Ah, dump it!
Oh, look. I'm making a budget. Look.
Yeah, I love it.
What's happened? I'm falling sand. Ew. 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 Give it back. I like this.
You like it?
I like this. A blue one.
You like the blue one, huh?
And I like the doubles.
And the shovels?
Yeah.
Whoa, Caden's got the big shovel in the big bucket.
I need some in here.
You guys think we should get some more of this colored play sand?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I like purple.
You like the purple?
Yeah.
I like the purple too. Purple's probably my favorite that we got. And I like the green. And I like the pink, actually. I like all of them. Which one do you like the best, Caden?
All the colors.
You like all of them too?
Yeah.
Here he goes. Whoa, full up. Alright guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. We love this awesome new sand. I wish they had blue because that would have been super awesome, but I think it's so fun to have colored play sand. Like, that just adds another level to being creative. Alright, say bye kids.
Bye, kids.
See you next time.
Next time.
Can you wave?
Yes.
Wave to the kids. Kids are right here, buddy. Right here. Say bye, kids.
Bye, kids.
See you next time.